Hi friends, so this weekend we headed for a lazy brunch to the farm. Now this is a beautiful property in Chennai where the concept is the restaurant puts everything on the table which is locally sourced and grown. So you can have a really fun time with your family and friends and be absolutely carefree as a parent because everything you and your child is eating is absolutely 100% farm fresh and delicious. Also, kids enjoyed the ambience a lot. The whole surrounding was very lush green, and also they got to meet some of their farm animal friends. They truly enjoyed their weekend brunch.